Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Flash Labs Basic Python Script is a simple Python script that allows you to establish a telnet connection to a Cisco router. This can be useful for remotely accessing and configuring Cisco routers through a network connection. Here is a tutorial on how to use Flash Labs Basic Python Script to telnet to a Cisco router. 1. Install Python. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from the official website, https://www.python.org. To install the required module, you will need the telnetlib module to establish a telnet connection. You can install it using pip by running the following command in your terminal. 3. Create a Python script. Open a text editor and create a new Python script with the following code. Replace the placeholder values with your Cisco router's IP address, username, and password. 4. Run the script. Save the Python script with a .py extension, example telnet_cisco.py, and run it in your terminal or command prompt. You should see the output from the Cisco router displayed in the console. Please note that you may need to adjust the script based on your specific Cisco router configuration, such as the login prompts and commands to execute. By following this tutorial, you can use Flash Labs Basic Python script to establish a telnet connection to a Cisco router and interact with it using Python code.